I-unbox ko naman ay from the shop of Marigold Philippines. Totally naka-bubble wrap siya. Loob at labas, naka-bubble wrap. Talagang very secure ang packaging. So, order ako sa kanila ng earring. So, I have this thank you letter. Nasa loob ang radio. Talaga ito ang secure na secure. Naka-bubble wrap na yung box. Naka-bubble wrap pa yung jewelry box. Putin. Oops. So, may free ako na Evil Eye. So, yun siya. And then ito yung in-order kong earrings. Loop earrings. Oh, napakagaan. Well, it's lightweight. Cute.